It's launch week! Hey everyone, Jeff Shore, author of Follow Up and Close the Sale, a book that's all about what you do when the customer says, nah, not yet. This is my 10th book, and I want to give you a peek behind the curtain in an author's life. You see, every author looks forward to this one magical moment, that wonderful day when the first case of books arrives from the publisher. Well, guess what? The books are here. But I was waiting for you. It's time for the big unveiling. Ready?
Well, there it is, always one of the big days for an author. It's always, my heart is pounding just a little bit right now. There's always the question of what it looks like. So these just got delivered to my door. I have not seen a copy of the new book, but we're gonna find out right now. So, here we go. I admit, a little nervous, but here we go. And drum roll, please. There you have it. Follow Up and Close the Sale. It's beautiful, hardback. Oh, it looks really, really nice. It's shiny, it's glossy, it feels good in the hands. Very, very excited.
Yeah, that's a big day for an author, it is, but there's an even bigger day yet to come. And that is when you hear those first reports of people who read the book, who loved the book, and applied what it said to make a difference. And I want that to be you. So when you purchase the book, I want you to reach out to me. Just send me an email, ask@jeffshore.com. Let me know what worked for you. Were you challenged? What did you learn? But mostly, how have you changed your approach? I want to know. Hey, thanks for watching today's 5-minute sales training. I've got a lot more to teach you about follow-up in my latest book from McGraw-Hill, Follow Up and Close the Sale. You can get all the information about my new book at jeffshore.com/salesfollowup. The link to that page is in the description below. When you order your copy, I've got all kinds of bonus material that I'll send to you for free so that you can begin applying the book right away to start closing more sales and earning more and bigger commissions. Once again, check out the link in the description below, and until next time, learn more to earn more.